HLS is notoriously fragmented between medical device, pharma, the various other sub-verticals.
Really big digital efforts got launched over this past year. In some cases, like Stuart said, it's repurposing tactics that could have been for B2B. What we're now in is a period of releveling, kind of getting to a new normal of what that right mix will be. You really have to plan for change.
People want to have, at their convenience, the opportunity to place an order. They're expected now. That is the norm.
But I think that we are approaching fast an inflection point where a great e-commerce experience isn't enough.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Digital transformation is not a one-size-fits-all. With the help of Salesforce and partners like yourself, Avionos, we've successfully launched the Merz Aesthetic Portal for all of our healthcare providers. And with that success, as we looked at that, all of our global partners took an interest. The fact that we have Salesforce as our backbone, the fact that we have a strong individual partner that's helping us build this, and us internally, we can pivot and change as we need to. I've always had a great relationship with Salesforce. We ask Salesforce to recommend partners. Some of the founders who build Cloud Craze were now part of Avionos. What better partner could I find, outside of Salesforce themselves?